In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export scenes in OBS Studio, import scene collections tutorial. If you've ever set up a perfect streaming layout and wanted to back it up, move it to another computer, or share it with a teammate, exporting and importing your scene collections is the safest and fastest way to do it. A scene collection is simply the group of scenes and sources you see in OBS, your layouts, transitions, and source structure, saved as a single configuration. Start by opening OBS Studio. Once it's open, make sure you're currently on the scene collection you want to back up. You can confirm this by looking at the scene collection menu at the top of the app. The active one will be checked. Take a quick glance through your scenes to be sure everything looks the way you want it saved. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Scene Collection. From that drop-down, choose Export. OBS will prompt you to save a file. This is a .json file that contains your scene and source setup. It does not embed your media files, so any images, videos, or audio you've added are referenced by their file paths on your computer. For that reason, pick a consistent place to keep your media and consider keeping a copy of those assets alongside your export. If you plan to move to a new device, choose a location on your computer to save the export file. A Documents or Projects folder works well, and it's a good idea to name it clearly, like Streaming Layout v1.json. If this is critical to your workflow, back it up to a cloud drive or an external USB so you always have a safe copy. Now let's import a scene collection. In OBS, click the Scene Collection menu again and select Import. In the window that appears, click the three-dot button to browse for the JSON file you previously exported. Select the file and confirm your choice. Then click Import to add the collection to your list inside OBS. To use it, open the Scene Collection menu once more and switch to the newly imported collection. Take a moment to verify your sources. Make sure cameras, microphones, and media files are connected and pointing to the right locations. If something is missing, it usually means the original file path has changed. Reconnecting the source to the correct file or device will resolve it. That's it. You've successfully exported and imported a scene collection in OBS Studio. With this workflow, you can back up your layouts, move between machines, and restore your setup in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.